Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Adinta Mesya Aura Maharani, but you can call me Adin. I am 13 years old and now I am 7th grade at Junior High School 1 Karangmojo. I was born on May 2017, 2020. I live in Semanu, North Semanu, RZ2, RW34, Gunung Kidul. I have many hobbies such as traditional dancing, cooking, and doing sport. Now, let me introduce my family. My father name is Yohanes Desrianto. My mother name is Rizkrina Wulandari. Also have a younger brother. His name is Sabdagra Bumi Parikesit. This is all about me and my family. Thank you for your attention.